Welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about titanium anodizing and how it works. Titanium anodizing is an electrolytic finishing process that manipulates the oxide layer on the surface of titanium via electric current. With roots dating back to the aerospace industry in the 1920s, anodizing is pivotal for protecting against corrosion in challenging environments. The medical device industry also widely uses the titanium anodizing process, since anodized titanium parts are non-toxic and suitable for biomedical applications, such as orthopedic implants. Outside the medical device and aerospace industries, Type 3 colored titanium finishes are also used in jewelry manufacturing. There are two types of titanium anodizing commonly used by manufacturers, Type 2 and Type 3. Type 2 anodizing provides a wear-resistant surface that reduces friction between sliding titanium surfaces. Type 2 anodized titanium parts are a distinctive gray color. In contrast, Type 3 titanium anodizing is known as titanium color anodizing. Type 3 titanium anodizing allows for manufacture of color-coded parts for quick visual identification. In Type 3 titanium anodizing, the manipulation of the oxide layer produces an illusion of color, similar to a prism. Unlike aluminum anodizing, the titanium color anodizing process does not use dyes, thus adding to biomedical safety. The color of the finished product depends on the thickness of the titanium oxide layer. Since the entire range of color for the titanium oxide layer is within 250 angstroms or 25 billionths of a meter, the process requires careful precision and high-quality anodizing equipment for best results. Another contrast between Type 2 and Type 3 titanium anodizing is that Type 3 color anodizing lacks industry-wide standards. While Type 2 titanium anodizing is governed by an industry specification, no industry standard exists for Type 3 titanium color anodizing. The absence of color anodizing standards means that manufacturers must establish their own customized process validation to ensure color consistency. At Best Technology, we offer industry-leading titanium anodizing equipment and a proprietary process for titanium anodizing. Whether for quick visual identification in complicated assemblies or reducing friction in titanium surfaces, titanium anodizing offers a wide array of possibilities. Discover the benefits of adding titanium anodizing to your manufacturing operations. Contact an applications engineer at Best Technology today to learn more.